Does Mommy have a lot of clothing to wash? It's got too much laundry. It's got too much laundry to do. Hi. Should Mommy wash this shirt? Should she shred it? What should I do, baby? Boop. I should wash the sock. You want to smell it? No? This? Oh, you know this shirt? You know this shirt? Do you remember Abby? Remember Abby? Do you remember Abby? Abby was Mommy's friend sophomore year. This is the shirt that Abby gave Mommy. Okay. I'm gonna wash this skirt. Mommy likes this. It's inside out. Mommy likes this skirt. You know why? Mommy feels pretty in this skirt, and she likes to wear it for Logan in pictures. This is Mommy's dress. It smells like Remy. You smell? Does it smell like Remy? Yeah? It smells like Remy. You like Remy. Remy is your friend. Hi. Hi. I love you. It's okay. Remy's no competition. You want to go on another play date with Remy? Mommy's panties need to be washed. Hi. Are you a good boy? Okay. Mommy should wash her white mini skirt, but hold on. Are you getting married? Getting married? Getting married? He's a good boy. Okay. Let's see what else. Oh, someone got buried in the washing pile. It's chicken. It's chicken. Chicken. Can you sit on your head? Can chicken sit on you? Chicken sit on you? Is it chicken? Peck, peck, peck. Oh, thank you. Peck, 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 peck. Well, I'm not going to do anything. Good boy. Oh, this shirt is good for spring. Mommy likes this shirt. Look. It's got bunnies on it. You like bunnies? I think you would scare a bunny. These are the pants Mommy got for $4 at Walmart when she didn't bring the right clothes for the trip. They're very wrinkled. They gotta be washed. Oh, is there a fly? We'll just have to get some. Well, we'll leave Mr. Fly alone. Oh, look, it's a comb. Mommy puts this in her hair to style it. And go in the accessory picnic basket. Boop. Alright. Oh, look, it's your vest. Oh, do you like your vest? Do you want to put it on? Oh, do you want to put on your vest? Yeah? You like your vest? Yeah. Come back. Come on. Yeah. You like your vest? You help me a lot, don't you? Happy boy. Happy boy. Let's see. Mommy, oh, sorry. Mommy should wash her pants, right? You helping Mommy complete her basic tasks? Do you help Mommy with her anxiety, her autism, bipolar, and ADHD? You do. You help Mommy a lot. Okay. I gotta wash these. Help me stay focused, don't you? Give me someone to talk to and help me with my panic attacks. And by spending time with you when I do my basic tasks, you help me remember to do them. You help me remember to do my tasks. Should mommy wash this shirt? Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah? Oh, does mommy need pressure therapy? Is mommy getting anxious? Good boy. You can give mommy pressure therapy. Wash a towel. What else does mommy need to wash? Mommy needs to wash a dress. Oh, is mommy okay now? Thank you for your help, Mr. Flynn. Oh, did you just need to stretch? He's over there. Oh, mommy loves this shirt. Oh, hello. You come back to help? Surely not everybody was kung fu fighting. Alright. Mommy needs to wash her underwear. Because we always have to wear clean undies. Mommy needs to wash a camisole. So she can wear it sometimes when bras are too much of a stimulus. And she gets, on overstim days, mommy can wear a camisole when bras are getting annoying. Mommy's probably going to switch to that before she goes to work. Should I wash this dress? Okay. Mommy needs to get rid of these shorts because the zipper doesn't work. But mommy loves them. Can you help me? Can you help me? Does mommy need to do what's good for her? I need to not keep things that I don't need. Right? Did you catch that fly? Did you eat that fly? So mommy needs to get rid of these, right? Can you? You're right. Okay. Mommy needs to fix this dress, but she needs to wash it first. Okay. Mommy needs to wash her socks and wash her shirts. Then mommy's, oh yeah, you can tell mommy's feeling anxious. Pressure therapy, please. Good boy. You know how to help. I'm okay. Mommy's just sad she has to get rid of the shorts. And she's feeling anxious about some other stuff that she's remembering right now. Sad trauma memories. Come here. Mama said that it's quite alright. People out of bed for the night. It was okay. Mama told us we were good kids. Daddy told us not to listen to the ones telling us things that were making fun. We're good kids. I can feel your fur. I can smell your fur. I can feel the fabric. This fabric has a different texture. Your vest has a different texture. Your ring has a different texture. 1, 2, 3. And we're going back to the present. Going back to the present. Did I do a good job? You did a good job too. Thank you. Okay. Sorry. Okay. This is a favorite dress, so we wash it. We need to wash another towel. We have to remember that we have work. We have to leave for work in an hour. We have to leave for work in an hour, Flynn. I have to leave for work in an hour. Good boy. And you tell that mommy is still anxious. But it's okay. Mommy's gonna stay in the present and not think to sadness in the past. What's this? This needs to go in the wash. Okay. What else does mommy need to wash? Mommy needs to wash more pajamas. Pajama pants. More underwear must be washed. Okay. We need to wash shorts because we walk everywhere. And more shirts. Okay. Mommy needs to wash her tights. And her shirts. Okay. More camisoles for bra over stem days. Okay, Flynn. Flynn, sorry. Come here. You did a good job. Did a good job. Come here. Did a good job. Thank you for helping me. I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna wash the laundry. And we're gonna be okay. Okay? High five. Good boy. Thanks for watching. Bye.